Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is BYJU'S Exam Prep. Guys, this is the second last session of Theory of Machines in this monsoon crash course. And guys, you know we have already completed 3 sessions, and today we are going to discuss about gyroscopes, then cams, and then governors. So we are going to solve the question from these 3 topics, and guys, we will be left with only one topic after today's session, that is gear and gear train, that we will be having tomorrow as last session. And on Sunday we will be having the test for which top 3 students can also win the prizes. Biseti, hi guys. Sachin, good evening bhai, how are you? Yes, so guys, shall we start the session? Do like and share it so that other students can also reach to the session. Okay, so we are starting the session now. Yes, Nagaraju, good evening dear. So now we are starting the session guys without wasting the time. Those who are watching me for the first time, this is my detail guys. I am having around 10 plus years of experience, cracked GATE and many other exams many times, written many research and review papers. The subject going on is theory of machines. These are my areas of expertise. Some already we have seen in monsoon course. After Tom we will be meeting for production and then for machine design and engineering mechanics guys. Manas, good evening dear. So guys, this is about the monsoon course going on at 6 p.m. daily. We have already completed the subject SOM, then FM, then industrial engineering. Now TOM is about to be completed by tomorrow. Then after that we will be having thermodynamics, heat and mass transfer, production, machine design, engineering mechanics. Okay. Yes, Sashank, good evening dear. Biseti, good evening. So guys, do like and share the session so that others can also join. So guys, this is related to the session. Rakesh sir would be taking on 7 golden rules to secure single digit rank in GATE. That is on 17th of July at 12:30 p.m. on the app. Okay, so you can join if you want. And guys, you requested me for a session on cleans construction. So tomorrow you will be having the concept capsule on the same. So this I am coming based on your request only. So tomorrow you will be having the session on to this. Naveen, good evening. Gajodhar, good evening. गजोदर रेगुलर आया करो भाई, कभी कभी आते हो. So guys, if you want to attend the questions on arc welding tomorrow at 4 p.m. on BYJU'S Exam Prep app, you can join me. This will be related to the questions on arc welding. We will be having some wonderful problems guys tomorrow 4 p.m. Okay, so guys, now without wasting the time we are starting the session. Ramesh Mon, good evening. आप भी रेगुलर नहीं हो, रमेश मोहन रेगुलर आया करो. So guys, okay, Tom handwritten notes in Telegram. Dear Sashank, already they are present in Telegram channel. And if you don't find, don't worry, just message there. I will be sharing once again if you want. Okay, otherwise it is present already. So this is the first question on gyroscope guys. Try to solve this question guys. So today we have around 20 questions from 3 topics: governor, gyroscope and cams. These are the newly added topics. So because of this, very few questions have been asked from these 3 topics. If you ask about previous year's GATE, gyroscope have been the most important out of these 3. Okay, yes, okay Ramesh Mon. So the question says a disc with radius of gyration 6 mm as shown in the figure has a mass of 4 kg. The disc is mounted centrally on a horizontal axle of 80 mm length between the bearings. So this length is mentioned as 80 mm. Okay, this length is mentioned as 80 mm. So then it is saying that it spins about the axle at 800 rpm counterclockwise as viewed from the right. So guys, this is the view from the right hand side bearing. This is view. And when you are looking from this, he is saying that 800 rpm counterclockwise, anti-clockwise. Then he is saying the axle precises about a vertical axis at 50 rpm. In clockwise direction as seen from the top. You are looking from the top and it is in clockwise. So you need to tell the magnitude and direction of the reactions. Yes, Divyansh, good evening. Divyansh, why are you not coming regularly? You are also doing bunk sometime. So try to be regular in these sessions. They are very, very important sessions guys. And do like and share the session guys. And good evening, yes. So Divyansh is saying the answer is B. Okay, what about others? What about others? Very good. What about others? Yes. So guys, I will be giving you a hint about that also. You can consider it as a simply supported beam. Okay, so initially already a W load is acting. So initially W by 2 will be the support reaction. Now you just need to see about the gyroscopic couple, how it will be. Don't worry Gajodhar, I am here to help you for this question. Okay Divyansh, no issues. So guys, try. I am waiting for some other students answer, then I will be solving it in front of you. And don't worry guys, here I am coming with some very good problems which are going to be there in the GATE exam and will make you rankers. That's why the name of the course is Monsoon Rankers Crash Course. Okay? Yes. Anybody else? Biseti, Manas, Sachin, Surendra Singh, good evening bhai. Yes, yes, yes guys. Try to solve it. Try to solve it. And guys, share the session so that other students also join it. Today I feel Bhavya and Nikhil are not there. Solve it guys, solve it. So don't worry Gajodhar, I am going to solve this question in front of you. Yes. Teju, okay, Teju is saying A. Yes, Rishi, good evening dear. So guys, now I am going to solve this question in front of you. Some students are saying the answer to be A, some are saying the answer to be B. So there is a option between A and B, people are getting. Good evening bhai, singing is my life. Okay, for everyone it is. Okay guys, so first of all the view is this one. I am going to see this disc from this side. And when I am having this view, for this the direction of rotation, sense of rotation is anti-clockwise. Just imagine a clock in front of you. Clock is having this kind of rotations. So this is clockwise. Anti-clockwise will be just opposite to this. So guys, this is going to be the direction of omega. This is going to be the direction of omega. This is going to be the direction of omega. Once again, I am telling you guys, view is this. I am looking from here. By looking from here, clock is like this, but it is anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise means this. So this is going to be the direction of omega. Then my dear, just imagine this marker to be the direction of omega. You are looking from the top view. When you are looking from the top view, they are saying when you are looking from the top view, it is precisely in clockwise direction. So just imagine a clock. Clock will be rotating like this. So if it is rotating in clockwise direction, it is going in this way. You know, in gyroscope, we assume this direction outside y to be negative, inside y to be positive. So this is going to be negative direction. So guys, the initial direction of omega is this. It is going towards negative y. It is going towards negative y. Okay. So this is initial, this is final. 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 Because you are holding the tail fixed. So it is going in this way. So guys, this is going to be the active couple. Because active is going to change the direction, reactive will be coming like this. So active is coming outside, reactive is coming like this. So my dear, when reactive is coming like this, this is the direction of the couple. But we are interested in the sense of rotation. You know, by right hand thumb rule, fingers will give you the sense and thumb will give you the direction. Thumb is saying the direction of gyroscopic couple, fingers are giving you the sense of rotation. So my dear, the sense of rotation of couple will be coming in this way. This is going to be C, this is gyroscopic couple. Okay guys, so okay, this is the gyroscopic couple. Now if you see, gyroscopic couple have a magnitude of I omega omega p. Now my dear, you know it is mentioned that the mass is 4 kg, radius of gyration is 6 mm. So you know I is nothing but mk square. This is mk square omega omega p. Omega can be written as 2 pi n by 60 and omega p can be written as 2 pi np by 60. Okay. Yes dear, I feel A and B options seems to be same. Don't worry about that. Okay. No issues Divyansh. So when you will see the omega, I have calculated for you. Omega will be coming out to be 83.78. This is radians per second. And omega p, for precision, it is coming out to be 5.24 radians per second. Okay guys, when you will be finding out I, which is equals to mk square, that is having the value equals to 0.0144 kg meter square. So guys, these are the values, and when you will be finding out the gyroscopic couple C, this value will be coming out to be 6.32 Newton meter. 6.32 Newton meter. Now my dear, you very well know from the strength of material that if you want to find out the reaction at A and reaction at B, the reaction at A will be equals to W by 2 plus couple by total length. This is going to be the reaction, plus minus, obviously. You can see VA is acting upward. This couple is also trying to do upward. They are same in direction. So when you will be writing the expression for VA, VA will be coming out to be W by 2 minus C by L. And my dear, when you will be writing the VB value, you can see here, my dear, the direction is this couple is going to create downward, and this is going to create upward. Opposite direction means sign will be plus. So my dear, you will be writing here W by 2 plus C by L. So when you will be solving this, my dear, VA is coming out to be 59.4. It is coming out to be 59.4, and this is coming out to be, second one is 98.6. 98.6. This will be coming minus 59. And this is coming plus 98.6. Plus means assumed direction is correct. Minus means assumed direction is wrong. So VB's direction is correct. VA direction will be wrong. It means, my dear, VA will be acting downward in reality. Okay. So VA downward, VB upward. So 59.4 downward, 98.6 upward. A and B both are same options. So A and B both are correct answer. It is by mistake actually. Actually, if here it is upward, here should be upward only. So that is why the error is. But both those who have given A and B as answer, they are correct. Is it clear for everyone, guys? So guys, do like and share the session. We are moving to the question number 2 now. Very good, guys. Second question is related to cams. Yes, so all the questions are not difficult. There are some easy questions also. Like in GATE, we have all the types of question. Some are easy, some are medium, some are difficult. So that is how the session is planned. We have all the types, some easy questions, some difficult questions, some average questions. Okay. Yes, guys. Question number 2, this is. So this is, consider the following statements. For a radial translating roller follower, parabolic motion of the follower is very much suitable for high speed cams. Okay. Okay, Bhavya, you are talking about I value. Yes, it is correct. It is correct, Bhavya. The same I have written in the form of decimal. Okay, Nikhil. So it is for a radial translating roller follower. Parabolic motion of the follower is very suitable for high speed cams. Okay. And second point is pitch point on pitch circle of a cam corresponding to the point of minimum pressure angle. Nikhil is saying answer is A. Mani is saying answer is A. What about others, guys? Gajodhar is also saying A. Okay. What about others? So guys, today this is the benefit of such sessions. You will be getting all the concepts, all the mistakes you are doing generally. Sir, in previous question option B is correct, maybe because respectively word mentioned. Dear, okay. That I have not seen, I feel. Let me check it. Yes, it is mentioned respectively at A and B. Okay, respectively at A and B. So at A, B is correct, dear. A is wrong, Teju. A is wrong, guys. So B is correct here. Very good, Surendra Singh. Actually, they have mentioned respectively word. So because of that, B is going to be the right answer. But magnitude wise, yes. Calculation wise, A and B both are correct. Fine. Great. So what about the second question, guys? Rishi is saying A. Teju is saying A. Yes. Yes, Nikhil. So guys, for this, if you see for high speed cams, you tell me for high speed cam, which is going to be the best type of motion? For high speed cam, which type of motion is best? There are four types of motion: constant velocity, constant acceleration, SHM, and cycloidal. Out of these four, which is the best type of motion? Bhavya, Teju. Sure, Bhavya, sure. Yes. So guys, there are four types of motion. One is uniform velocity motion. One is uniform velocity motion. तेजू कौन सा होता है भाई? Second is uniform accelerated motion. Third one is SHM. Fourth one is cycloidal. गजोधर कौन सा होता है भाई? Very good, Pranjal. So Pranjal have answered it. So dear, actually for high speed we are using cycloidal motion. But when they use this word parabolic, parabolic is used for uniform accelerated motion. So this statement is wrong. And second statement, pitch point is not related to the minimum pressure angle, but it is related to the maximum pressure angle. So answer is D, not A. So guys, none of you have given the right answer by mistake. It's fine. But the answer is going to be D for this. Neither one nor two. Next question, guys. Question number 3. This is once again from the gyroscope. Yes. So guys, like करते रहिए, like and share, रुकना नहीं चाहिए. This is just third question. We are going to solve 20 questions, guys, on these three topics. And on these three topics, questions generally you will not find because they are the newly added topic, guys. Yes, yes, yes. कोई बात नहीं, Nikhil. Next question. The rotor of a ship. So this time you need to consider a ship. Okay, you know there is some engine in which there is some rotor. Yes. It is viewed from the stern. You know this is bow. This is stern. So view is from the stern. This is the view. View from the stern. The ship takes a left turn. This is the left turn. Yes, the effect of gyroscopic couple will be. Bhavya is saying C. Divyansh is also saying C. Yes, Manas is saying C. Teju, Nagaraju, Gajodhar, Pranjal, Rishi. What would be the answer for this, guys? Sachin, बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, Pranjal, Nikhil. Very good. Mani, बहुत बढ़िया. Very good, Teju. Fine, guys. So now, guys, first of all, you know the view is from the stern. So I am looking from the stern and the shaft is rotating clockwise. Just imagine the clock in front of you. This is the clockwise direction. Omega direction is coming in front of you. This is the direction of omega. And my dear, now the ship is going to take the left turn. So just imagine this to be ship. So you know this is the velocity vector and ship is going to take its left turn. Ship will be taking its left turn. So when ship is going to take the left turn like this, you can see this arrow. If I fix the tail and it is going in this way. So my dear, if it is going in this way, this is the positive y direction. So it is going inside. So this is active couple. This is reactive couple. This is active couple. This is reactive couple. And this is the sense of rotation. So sense of rotation will tell you that ship will try to go like this. If this is the ship is going to have feel of this. Means its bow will be going up and stern will be going down. So the result will be, you know that this is initial and final, active and couple and reactive couple. So it is going to result into bow up and stern down. So answer is correct for you guys. C is correct. Wonderful, guys. Teju, answer is, sorry, A is correct, na? A is correct. To raise the bow and lower the stern. Is it clear guys? Bow up, stern down. हाँ, reactive couple देखते हैं भव्या. Yes, so this is the vector going inside. Active, reactive. Active is going to be spent in doing the rotation. Reactive is what we are looking for. Is it clear guys? So the answer is A. Let us see question number 4 guys. Let us see question number 4. This is from constant acceleration motion of cam. Solve it guys. Okay, no issue Nikhil, कोई बात नहीं. You mention the question number with the answer. Your issue will be resolved. Mention question number with the answer. This is a very good question. Now Bhavya, Divyansh, Teju, Nikhil, try to solve this one. Today I feel Shivam is not there. Okay, don't worry Bhavya. If that is the case, haven't you attended the classes? Okay, revision may not be done. Okay. Solve this one guys, solve this one. And do like and share the session. This is from cams and follower again. This is from cams and follower again. Yes. Fine guys, fine. I am giving you the hint. This is a uniform acceleration motion and you need to find out the maximum velocity. So guys, the maximum velocity formula, you can derive it. I will be deriving also, but right now I am giving you directly to solve. This is going to be 2h omega by phi naught. So how it is coming, I am telling you that also. This is the motion of follower, my dear. So motion of follower is starting from zero velocity. For first half, it is going to be uniformly accelerated. For second half, it is uniformly retarded. Then only you will get at zero velocity for the completion of rise. Then you will be coming to return. Here it is going to be negative acceleration. Acceleration, and here it is going to be retardation. So guys, this is how the motion will be coming, and this is the maximum velocity at the mid. And if the total rise and return is of h height, half is going to be for h by 2. So first of all, you can apply s is equals to ut plus half at square. And I am applying this for half of the motion. When you will apply this, half motion will be h by 2, initial velocity 0 plus half acceleration. And if you want to write down the time, what is the expression for time? You know that theta by time is the angular velocity. So time is theta by omega. Theta for rise is said to be angle of, yes, this is said to be angle of, क्या नाम होता है guys? Angle of, let us see how many remember the name. For the rise stroke, the angle rotated by cam is known as, for the rise stroke, angle rotated by cam is known as. Okay, Teju have given answer A. Yes, it is. Okay, answer is yes. A is correct, guys. A is correct answer. So it is said to be angle of rise. Okay, so angle of rise and angle of return. Okay, so guys, whenever we are going for this, you will be putting the time to be t by 2. So it is going to be theta by 2 omega ka whole square. This will give you the value of acceleration. Then you will be applying v is equals to u plus at. and by putting this you will be getting the maximum velocity. Putting the value of acceleration, you will get it to be 2h omega by phi naught. You can see everything is given to us. It is mentioned that in a cam follower mechanism, the follower needs to rise by 20 mm. So my dear, h value is given as 20 mm. They are giving you the cam rotation, the first 30 degree with a constant acceleration and next 30 degree with retardation. So it means, my dear, the angle phi naught is 60 actually. Okay, then you know it is going to be constant acceleration, and it is said already the speed is 300 rpm. So omega is 2 pi n by 60. Putting all these value, you will be getting the answer to be 1.2 meter per second. The answer is A for this. I feel everyone have given the right answer. Yes, let us move further, guys. Let us move further. Dear, I am telling you, it is said to be outstroke angle. It is not angle of rise. Rise is happened for the follower. For cam, the name is outstroke angle. It is outstroke angle and return stroke angle. It is not rise the stroke angle. So I was checking you, how many of you remember that? No one remember that. Only me who remember that. So it is angle of upstroke, angle of outstroke. Yes. So question number 5, guys, it is once again from the gyroscope. Solve it to find out the gyroscopic couple. All the things are given to you. You just need to find out. Direction is not asked. You just need to do I omega omega p. Okay. Solve it, guys. Solve it. I want answer from all of you. Nagaraju, Manas, Divyansh, Nikhil, Teju, Bhavya, Nikhil, Pranjal, Mani, everyone from you. Yes, guys. We have 20 questions. 20 questions. This is just 5th one. 1/4 of the question are about to over. Don't worry, some easy questions are also there. Every question is not difficult. Yes, Gajodhar, are you there or not? Bhavya have given the answer 1179.59. Bahut badhiya. Wonderful, guys. Wonderful, guys. Nikhil is also saying the same. So Nikhil and Bhavya have given the answer to be B. Yes. Pranjal, Divyansh, Manas, Nagaraju, Teju, Divyansh, Gajodhar, Mani, Pranjal. What would be the answer, guys? Very good. Teju have also given the same answer. Wonderful. Very good, Manas. Bahut badhiya. So answer is B. Bahut badhiya, guys. So you know it is given that the turbine rotor of a ship has a mass of 2200 kg. So mass is 2200 kg. Then it is mentioned that it rotates at 1800 rpm. So when n is given to you, you can find out 2 pi into 1800 divided by 60. Then it is mentioned that radius of gyration of rotor K is 320 mm. The gyroscopic couple, and it is mentioned for omega p, you can also use Vp by R. Vp is 25 km per hour, 25,000. It is per hour. So R will be divided into minutes and second. Now it is meter per second. Divided by radius is 250 meter. So you just need to put these values here. C is mk square omega omega p. It will be coming out to be equals to, very good Sachin, 1179. 1179.89. The answer is B for this. बहुत ही बढ़िया guys. No, direction was not asked actually. Yes. Yes. So guys, do you remember the equation 1 minus cos? Yes. देखते हैं कितने लोगों को याद है. It was pi theta by beta. Is it? You can also write it phi naught if you want to write angle of outstroke by phi naught. So it is totally your call what notation you want to use. This is the expression for displacement for simple harmonic motion. Theta can be kept as omega t. You need to find out the maximum acceleration. Just differentiate it 2 times and find out the magnitude of acceleration, guys. Very good. Nikhil is saying B, Pranjal is saying B, Mani is saying B, Nagaraju is saying B, Divyansh, Teju, बहुत ही बढ़िया, रटा हुआ है सभी को है. Great. So guys, the answer for this is going to be B. बहुत ही बढ़िया guys, बहुत ही बढ़िया, मजा आ गया. So guys, now we are moving to question number 7. Very good Sachin. Moving to question number 7 guys. This is from governors now. This is from governors. This question is from governors. And this is from spring controlled governor. You will see this time this type of question. Make it 5-star for GATE 23. I am saying today you will see this question in GATE 23. Because all other types will be coming after this only. This is going to be an important type. Because last year also they have asked from the controlling force diagram only. So this year also the chances are they will be asking this type of question. Last year they have asked simple question. This time it may be numerical of this type. Yes. Great. Solve it guys. In a spring controlled governor, the balls are 300 mm and 400 mm apart. So you know in spring controlled governor, if I am taking this as axis, fly balls are like this. So when distance between them is given, it is 2r actually. Okay, you know for spring control governor, this is going to be the equation for controlling force diagram. F is AR plus B. The equation is F is AR plus B. So this is mentioned that 300 mm and 400 mm apart for a controlling force of 200 and 400 respectively. Find out A and B. Okay, you will find out the initial tension. You know that for isochronous governor, this is F is equals to AR. Okay, so whatever B is coming, you need to make this B as 0. So whatever be the value of B is going to be your answer for this. Okay, Divyansh have given the answer as 400. What about others? What about others? Nikhil is saying 0. Okay, fine. Very good. निखिल आंसर 0 आ रहा है, एक बार फिर चेक कर लो. Okay, so let us solve it guys. So balls are 300 mm apart. I will put the value F is AR plus B. So when F is 300 Newton, this is A into 150 plus B. Then it is 400 Newton. A into 200 plus B. Because the value of 2R is given to us. You can see this is 400 apart, 300 mm apart. Forces are 200 and 400. So here there is 200, here there is 400. This is equation 1 and equation 2. You will be finding out the value of A and B. So when you will be finding out the value of A and B, my dear, A will be coming out to be 4000. And B will be coming out to be, B is coming out to be minus 200. Are you getting the wrong values, guys? Please check it. Have you put it the diameter in place of radius? Yes. Yes. So the answer is coming out to be 200. Please cross check it. First equation is 200 is equals to 150A plus B. 400 is equals to 200A plus B. Yes. Is it clear, guys? So when you will be solving this value is in mm. So mm means 10 to the power minus 3, you know that. Yes, so you will be getting this to be minus 250A into 10 to the power minus 3. So A will be coming out to be 4000. Putting this value 200 is equals to 4000 into 150 plus B. Yes. So into 10 power minus 3 will come. So you will be getting B to be equals to. B कितना आएगा भाई? Yes, B will be coming out to be 400. So B will be coming out to be 400. It is minus 400. So 400 Newton is the tension required, because if you want to make B to be 0, this is negative 400. You need to provide plus 400. So when you will provide plus 400, B will become 0 and the equation will become F is equals to AR, which is the equation of isochronous governor. You know, this is for isochronous, this is for unstable and this is for stable. Am I correct? Yes? Fine. Question number 8, guys. Question number 8. Once again from the same. Very good, Bhavya. Question number 8, once again from the governor. Controlling force of a spring control governor is 2800 R minus 76. FC is in Newton, R is in meter. If mass of the ball is 5 kg, extreme radii of the balls are 100 mm and 175 mm, the coefficient of insensitivity of governor at extreme radius, if friction in the governor is 5 Newton at each ball. So guys, they are asking for this condition. So I am giving you the hint, find out the FC max. You will be getting FC max 2800 R max minus 76. So you will be getting FC max here. You will get some value. Then my dear, you need to see the effect of friction. You will be getting FC dash and FC double dash by putting FC max plus friction and FC max minus friction. Because friction can act in the same direction or opposite depending on the tendency of motion. So you will be getting two forces here. Equate FC dash equals to M R max omega dash का square and FC double dash M R max omega double dash का square. You will be getting omega dash and omega double dash. You are asked the coefficient of insensitiveness. So my dear, coefficient of insensitiveness is given as delta omega by omega mean. Then you will find out coefficient of insensitiveness. It is omega dash minus omega double dash divided by omega mean. You will get the value. Do it into 100 if you want answer in percentage. Try to solve it, guys. This is a total new type of question. You have never seen this question before, I am telling you. Because in spring control, governor, we assume friction is 0. But if examiner says friction is there, then how you will solve? This is the way to solve. So guys, that is why these sessions are very helpful. If you are attending this session, you will be saying thanks to me on the day of exam. Because when you will see these type of questions, for you it is going to be an old question, for others it is going to be a new one. So there you will get a lead for sure. Solve it and tell me what is the answer. First of all, you will find out the FC max. It is coming out to be 414 Newton. Then this will be coming 419. This will be coming 409. Solve it, solve it, solve it, guys. बहुत ही बढ़िया question. You will find out omega dash, omega double dash. Bhavya, Teju, Divyansh, Pranjal, Nikhil, Mani, Manas, Teju, Nagaraju. Solve it, guys. Rishi. Yes. Try this, try this. I'm giving you time for solving. I can understand a lot of calculations are involved, but we cannot run from calculation when we are thinking of gate. Money, it is already mentioned, R maximum as 175 because they are asking at extreme radius. They have asked at extreme radius. Okay, what you are getting omega dash, Nikhil, what you are getting omega dash and omega double dash. Tell me the value of omega dash and omega double dash. Yes. Omega dash and omega double dash. Are you getting it to be 21 point something? Yes, 21.88. Fine. Yes, Shubhadeep. Welcome to this session. Very good, Manas. Your answer is correct. It is coming out to be 21.88 and 21.62. These are the values. So 21.88. How are you, Shubhadeep? Are you fine? Taking omega mean into 100. Answer will be 1.19%. A is correct. Very good, Bhavya. Very good, Bhavya. बहुत ही बढ़िया. हाँ, Teju and Nikhil have made the same mistake, I feel. So dear, please tell me you enjoyed this question or not. So this is the target. I know many students will run away from the session by looking at this question. If I want to make you happy and I want more and more students to be live, I shall have easy questions. But then you will not be feeling happy in the GATE exam. So I want you shall remember me at the GATE exam and after that also for the same. Okay, very good, Pranjal. Wonderful, guys. A is correct. Very good, Rishi. Divyansh. Question number 9. Guys, ऐसे क्वेश्चन पे लाइक कर दिया करो. Okay, very good, Nagaraju. So guys, a watt governor is rotating at 60 rpm. What is the change in vertical height when speed increases to 62 rpm? This is easy question from governor. You can have this type of question in GATE also. So we are having a combination of good ones, some easy, some difficult, some medium level, average level. Okay, so we are touching and slightly above going the GATE level, which is required during the preparation journey. Solve it, guys, solve it. You know that H is 895 divided by n square. So it is mentioned that what is rotating at 60 rpm, what is the change in what when speed increases to 62. So put n1 as 60, n2 as 62, find out h1 and h2, and delta h you need to find. What easier than this can be asked? Very good. Teju is saying the answer to be D. What about others? Very good, guys. बहुत ही बढ़िया, शानदार. We are still left with 10 more questions. Okay. Wonderful, guys. Yes, Bhavya, Nagaraju, Rishi, Divyansh, Teju, Pranjal, Nikhil, Bhavya, Manas, Mani. Shandar means very good. Shandar means very good. Sashank, very good. Sachin. Yes, Sachin. So the answer is D. 15.78 mm is correct. बहुत ही बढ़िया. Wonderful, guys. Question number 10. Very good, Sachin. हाँ निखिल, ये तो है. So actually rainy season is going on, so this thing sometime happens. Question number 10, guys. For this I will give you the formula. They are asking you the stiffness of spring. So I am giving you the formula. Those who do not remember the formula, it is 2 into A by B ka square FC2 minus FC1 by R2 minus R1. All the data are given to you. This is the formula for finding out the stiffness, guys. So just solve it and get the answer for stiffness. This type of question can come directly, okay, in the GATE. So you must remember such formulas. They will help you to solve the question in an easy manner. Yes. Solve it, guys. Yes, wonderful, guys. बहुत बढ़िया. Going very nicely. After this, we are left with 8 to 10 more questions. Always try to put question number with the answer to avoid the confusions. Solve it, guys. Yes. बहुत बढ़िया. Nikhil have given the answer to be B. What about others? Mani is also saying B. Okay. Fine. Very good, Bhavya, Pranjal. बहुत ही बढ़िया. शशांक, सचिन, बहुत बढ़िया भाई. आंसर इज 12.7 न्यूटन पर mm. ओके, सो द आंसर इज 12.7 न्यूटन पर mm. सर वो जो राइज वाला क्वेश्चन करे थे सर, अगर उसमें ड्वेल भी दे रखा हो. डियर, actually whenever they will give you that question, if they are giving dwell also, then obviously you will take 360 minus rise minus return. Generally rise and return are given equal. So you will subtract 2 times of that, or you will subtract dwell out of that. 360 you will get rise plus return, outstroke plus return stroke. Okay, this is a good question. In a centrifugal governor, controlling force is observed to be 15 Newton when radius of rotation is 20 mm, 40 Newton when radius of rotation is 60 mm. Then the type of governor is. This is a good question. I know many of you will be doing some mistakes there. Okay. Type of governor you need to tell. So guys, for this question, some of you may be trying to write the equation of controlling force as AR plus B. If you are thinking of that, guys, you are wrong. Because they have said centrifugal governor. They have not said Hartnell governor. This is valid for Hartnell governor, which are spring control governor. So guys, if in general it is a centrifugal governor, you need to check whether dF by dr is more than F by R or dF by dr is less than F by R. So my dear, what is dF by dr? dF by dr is F2 minus F1 by R2 minus R1. This is dF by dr. So you will write 40 minus 15 divided by 60 minus 20. 60 minus 20. You will get dF by dr. This is dF by dr. This is 25 by 40. 5 by 8. It is 0.625, something like that. And if you will try to find out F1 by R1, it is 15 by 20. If you see F2 by R2, it is 40 by 60. This is coming out to be 0.75. This is coming out to be 0.67. So you can see both the values are more than this value. So if dF by dr is more than F by R, this is a stable governor. And if dF by dr is less than F by R, it is unstable governor. You can see both F by R are more than dF by dr. So it is an unstable governor. B is the answer. Is it clear, guys? Understood? dF by dr is nothing but, this is telling you controlling force diagram, and F by R is denoting you the speed line. So if controlling force is lesser than speed line slope, obviously it is going to be unstable. How stable? Is it clear, guys? Are you getting it? What kind of question it was? If you can feel it, guys, you will be thinking that what kind of thing you are learning in these sessions. You may get skipped these things in the sessions, what you are getting here. Okay. So here you are not spending money but time. Like we say, paisa vasool ho gaya. Here you can say ki time vasool ho gaya. Yes. Next question, guys. Bhavya, are you getting it or not? So in a watt governor, the weight of the ball is 60 Newton and friction is 12 Newton. What is coefficient of detention? Coefficient of detention. Coefficient of detention. This is friction by weight. Add this to your notes. Friction by weight. Guys, do like and share the session. We are still left with 7-8 more questions. Okay, Bhavya. So I wanted you to succeed this year anyhow. So if you want any kind of help from my side, do call me. I will be providing you the help. If you are feeling weak in any subject, you want any help, okay, do call me. I will be helping you. Okay. Very good, Gajodhar. The answer is C. Question number 13. This is easy question. I feel everyone will answer. So don't worry. I have kept easy, difficult, mediocre, all level of questions. Sure. Sir, what it means? Dear, it is actually telling you about the inertia of governor. Okay. Mani is saying D, Manas is saying D, Nagaraju D, okay. Everybody is aware for constant acceleration it is parabolic, because you know that when acceleration is constant, velocity, you know acceleration is dv by dt is constant. So velocity will be ct plus some constant c1. Then you know v is ds by dt. It is ct plus c1. So s will become ct square plus c1t plus c2. This is the parabolic equation. So this is the proof of that. I am not saying without any derivation. So this is the derivation for the same. Next question is question number 14. Throw of a cam is the maximum distance of the follower from inner circle, prime circle, root circle or base circle. Yes, what would be the answer, guys? Always mention the question number with your answer, guys, and do like and share the session so that other students also reach here. Today's session will be smaller as compared to regular days. It will be going up to 7:15 today only. So we are left with 15 more minutes. Tomorrow, guys, the last topic, the name is gear and gear trains. Tomorrow's session will be on gear and gear trains. Okay. What about others? Very good, Sashank. The answer is base circle. Throw of a cam is the maximum distance of the follower from the base circle. So the maximum distance of the follower from the base is known as, from the base circle is known as throw. So these terminologies are not generally coming in GATE. They are coming in the exam like HPCL and all. Okay. So 1 to 2 question I have kept. Question number 15, guys. Once again from the cam. A constant velocity cam is designed for SHM. Okay, you know the SHM equation we have just seen. If the flat face follower displaces 2 cm for 180 degree of cam rotation, the cam angular velocity is 100 rpm. What is the acceleration when cam angle is 45 degree? Solve it, guys. This is from simple harmonic motion. Very good, Suraj Chaudhary. Welcome to this session, dear. ऋषि बहुत लेट बता रहे हो. Okay, ऋषि, don't worry. Once we complete 20 questions, then we will once again go to question number 12 for you. Okay. You must tell along with that at the time of the question only. Then it is better. So don't worry. After completing 20, we will once again go to 12th. So you know S is h by 2 1 minus cos pi omega t by phi naught. And they are asking you the acceleration. You just need to differentiate it twice. Okay. And you know omega t is nothing but theta. Theta is 45. So here no need to convert omega t, put omega t as theta only. you can go in that way. Solve this question, guys. Phi naught is 180 degree already given. 180 degree is pi. So I feel phi naught and pi will get cancelled out. It is very easy question actually. If you see, they have given phi naught to be pi. So phi naught and pi will get cancelled out. And omega t is theta. So it becomes S is equals to h by 2, 1 minus cos theta. You need to find out the acceleration when theta is 45. This is simple engineering mechanics question now. Velocity and acceleration you can find out just by differentiating and putting the value of theta. Solve it and get the answer. Yes. So solve it, guys. Shashank, Rishi, Mani, Teju, Nikhil, Sachin, Gajodhar, Manas, Pranjal. Solve it, guys. Very good, Bhavya. So Bhavya is saying the answer to be 775.43 mm per second square. Divyansh is saying 7.75. Okay. Teju is saying D. Okay. Divyansh, you check your answer. You check your calculations. Yes. Okay, Gajodhar, Nikhil. So guys, first of all, you are getting S is h by 2, 1 minus cos theta. So you will be having velocity as h by 2 into omega minus cos is plus sine theta. Why omega is coming? Because theta is d theta by dt is omega. Acceleration is h by 2 omega square cos theta. So you will be putting theta value, h value and omega value. You will be getting it 775.4325 mm per second square. So the answer for this question is D, guys. Question number 16. Question number 16. This is 1 mark question. 1 mark question. Yes. Yes, guys. Mani is saying D, Nikhil is saying B. Okay. Dear knife edge follower, do you remember what it is? If you will put a knife on your hand, feel cam is your hand and this is follower. Within 5 minutes you will be in hospital. So do you want the same thing for an aircraft? Guys, we always use roller follower because aircraft engines are very big in size. They have very big 3D space. You can use roller follower very easily. Is it clear? So the answer is going to be roller follower. For IC engine, we are using spherical face follower. That also initially. Now we are using roller follower everywhere because roller is the best one. Okay. Question number 17. Once again from Gyroscope. Once again from Gyroscope. Question number 17. Solve it, guys. Okay. Bhavya, 20 Newton meter, Manas D, Money D. The answer will be D. C is I omega omega P. I is 5, omega is 120. D is correct one. Okay. This is a very, very good question, guys. Solve it. For the turbine rotor of a ship, mass is 20,000 kg, radius of gyration 0.75 meter, speed 2000 rpm clockwise. When viewed from the front of the ship pitches harmonically. So this is pitching take place. Pitching in the ships is like this. This is pitching, guys. Okay. So they are saying pitching is getting take place and it is harmonically. So we will assume theta is equals to theta naught sine 2 pi t by t. Okay, we can assume this type of equation as harmonic is mentioned. So they are saying 10 degree in 20 seconds. The turbine is supported on bearing 5 meter apart. The maximum reaction at the front bearing when front of the ship is rising is, yes. So guys, this is the pitching case. This is the theta. They have given you, this is the theta for pitching. Theta for pitching. Try to solve this question, slightly bigger question. I am giving you time for the same. Okay, if you want to find out omega of pitching, this is theta naught into 2 pi by t cos 2 pi t by t. So yes, so what is the maximum value of omega p? 2 pi theta naught by t. Angular velocity of precision का maximum value we got. Theta naught is given as 10 degree. This is 20 second. Okay. Are you trying this? So this you will be finding out omega p maximum. They have given radius of gyration and mass. This will help you to find out I. Omega is already given. So guys, you need to find out I omega omega p first. So you will be finding out I omega omega p. So there is a shaft present. The distance of the shaft is 5 meter. Okay. And they are already saying the mass is 20,000 kg. So they are also mentioning the mass as 20,000 kg. Okay. Yes. So mass is 20,000 kg. 20,000 G. So 10,000 G will be coming here. 10,000 G will be coming here. Fine, guys. Length is given as 5 meter. Okay. So my dear, first of all, you find out the gyroscopic couple magnitude. Mk square omega omega p. Try to find out this. For direction, I will be telling you how to find out. First, try to find out the magnitude of the same. Okay, Teju is saying 128 point something. I feel you have made slight mistake. It will be coming out to be 127,235 Newton meter. This is the value we are getting. Okay. So my dear, this is the value we are getting. And you know, if we have some kind of moment, because of this moment, my dear, if you will try to find out the reactions because of moment is coming out to be plus minus moment but a length. Okay. Very good Manas. Great Pranjal. Okay. If you are getting in the range of 128.993, everyone is getting that. Maybe I have done some mistake in calculation. Have you put it the value carefully? Once again, try this. Mass is 20,000, radius of gyration is 0.75 meter, n is 2000 and omega p is 2 pi theta naught by t. Okay. So try to put this in not degrees but radians only. Okay. Fine. Okay, let us take your values. If you are taking 1 point, if you are getting it 128.99. Okay, you can take your value. This is kilonewton meter you will be getting. So whatever the value you are getting, you can find out the support reaction here. Try to find out the support reaction. Nikhil is saying 221.4. Nikhil, what is this 221.4? Okay. 128. Fine. So guys, just find out the R now. नहीं निखिल आप गलत कर रहे हो. Just you tell me this value. Then after that I will be telling you how to do. You just tell me the value of reaction here. Then we will see. This is 127,235 Newton meter. Now find out reaction. 127,235 divided by 5. Just find out this. Okay, this will be coming out to be 254 or 25.838. 25.838. Fine. 25.838 kilonewton. Okay, we get this. Now look at it. This is pitching happening. Just come for this question. They are saying that they have given some reactions direction. They are saying that clockwise when viewed from the front of the ship. So if this is the ship is going in this direction. So I will be looking from here. It is looking like clockwise. Clockwise means this is the direction of omega. So I will be making the direction of omega. This is the direction of omega. So if this is the omega direction, my dear, they are saying that it is pitches harmonically with an amplitude of 10 degree in a time of 20 seconds. Okay. And the turbine is supported on the bearing 5 meter apart, the maximum reaction on the bearing. And they are also saying this, it is going to pitch. So just feel it. If this is the direction, pitching is going to happen like this. This is going to be the pitching. So when pitching is going to be like this, you know this is initial omega, this is final omega. So this is active couple, this is reactive couple. So this is pitching, active, reactive, active, reactive. So if this is reactive, this is the fingers. So couple this time is in some different plane. Can you feel it? This time couple is in this plane. Previously you were saying the couple is like this, the couple was in this plane. Now the couple is in this plane. So when couple is in this plane, my dear, couple is like this. It is not acting in Y plane, it is acting in this horizontal plane. So support reaction because of couple will be coming like this at 90 degree. Here like this at 90 degree. So this time the point is, if this is your shaft, one reaction is this, other is not coming like this or this, other is coming this way or that way, because couple is in this plane. So either reaction will be coming towards you or reaction will be coming towards me. In both the case, it is going to be perpendicular to the load reaction. So my dear, if that is the case, you just need to feel it that this reaction and weight reaction are perpendicular to each other. So if you are saying this 10,000 G, it will become 9,800 Newton. This is one force. Other force is 25,838 Newton. This is second force. They are acting at 90 degree to each other. So you can find out the net force as a square root of 25,838 ka square plus 9,800 ka square. This is how you will get the net force. Is it clear, guys? Yes. So the answer will be coming out to be very good. Bhavya, your answer is correct. The answer is 101.446 kilonewton. This is the right answer. So guys, it was a dangerous question. So yes, Nikhil, you can ask the doubt. Yes, you can ask the doubt. So guys, this is how we have solved it. So the point was, this time couple was not coming like this or like this. Couple is coming like this and like this. Why? Because this is active, this is reactive. So this is the couple. So for this couple, my dear, here support reaction will be towards you. Here support reaction will be towards me. Sir, in same plane, how to decide reaction? अरे भाई एक ही तो couple है निखिल. Nikhil, there is only one couple. There is always we take reaction couple. We do not take dear. Action is going to be spent. Like this is my ship. I want to take a turn. So whatever I will be applying, active is going to utilize for this turning. That is becoming zero now. Now whatever be coming is reaction. Action is nothing for us. Action have been spent. We will be having the reactions. So we always need to take care of reactions only. Action is getting spent. Is it clear? So this was a wonderful question, guys, and with this we are completing the session. Okay, so I am giving you one question if you want to do from vibration. This was pending, and take it as homework question for today. Okay, and you will be giving the answer in comment section. You will be giving the answer in comment section for this question. So with this we are saying goodbye for today. Tomorrow is going to be the last session of this theory of machine subject in the monsoon crash course, that is related to gear and gear trains. After this, my dear, we will be meeting once again for production. But before that, on Sunday, you have the test on the BYJU'S exam prep app, where obviously, as I already promised you, top 3 students will be getting prizes. So goodbye, guys, for this session. Thanks for joining. We are meeting once again tomorrow for gear and gear train. Goodbye till then. Guys, before leaving the session, do like and share the session so that we can reach to more and more peoples. Okay. Okay. So one question I feel some student have asked. Okay, Nikhil. Answer in the comment section. I will give you the reply there. Okay. For 12th question, dear, coefficient of detention is defined as friction force but a weight. This was the question asked by some of the student. Friction is given as 12 Newton. Weight is 60 Newton. So this is coming out to be 0.2. Okay. Yes. So goodbye, guys.